Hello, this is Cal Burgess with CustomInsured. This is episode 2 of Understanding Your Health Insurance Options. We set up this podcast series as a means to educate everyone signing up for Open Enrollment on healthcare.gov. We want to make sure that you understand all the options that are available and that other options may be a fit for you. So in this particular episode, we're going to discuss the difference between an HMO and a PPO network. Simply put, an HMO network is a very condensed version of a network that only gives you access to a few doctors. All the other doctors outside of that network are totally off limits, and you're going to pay out of pocket 100% for all of those other doctors. So they only want you using the few that they choose. The reason why this is happening is over the last several years, the Affordable Health Care Act has been losing a tremendous amount of money. In fact, the claims have been on a level that no insurance company has ever seen before. So because of that, as a safeguard, they strip down these networks to smaller networks to allow them to deal with only a few doctors as opposed to thousands of doctors. Unfortunately, these are the only plans that are available on healthcare.gov. Now, there are other plans available that have PPO options. These PPO options are private plans that have not been exposed to these mounting losses. These private plans can give you access to up to 1 million different doctors nationwide, going coast to coast. They also give you access to the best medical specialists in the world, including MD Anderson, the Mayo Clinic, Pfizer, etc. So in order to learn more about how you can implement a PPO plan for your family or yourself, feel free to contact us at CustomInsured.com or on Facebook at CustomInsured. This is Cal Burgess. Please stay tuned as we'll have several more episodes to explain all the options during open enrollment. Thank you for listening. Hello, this is Cal Burgess with CustomInsured. Over the next few podcasts, we'll be addressing group plans, more specifically for small businesses. There's several strategies and exposures when setting up a group health plan, especially for small businesses, and we wanted to set up this educational format for employees and companies to be able to understand how all this comes together. So, without further ado, in this particular episode, I'll be discussing renewal rates. Now, unfortunately, a small business is more exposed to renewal rates than a large business would be, and this is simply due to the fact that they have less employees. You see, risk for a group health plan is assessed on a business-to-business basis for the vast majority of all group health plans offered on the market today. So what that means is the more employees you have, the better you're able to offset all of your costs, which will help protect you from a renewal rate increase. The less employees you have, the opposite that's going to happen. So one of the strategies that small businesses are looking at is looking at plans that don't look at a business-to-business risk pool, instead looking at a risk pool that extends coast to coast. Now, when you set up a risk pool that includes everybody, it takes away any advantages of large companies over smaller companies and puts everyone on a level playing field. This allows the small business to offer superior benefits to their employees that larger businesses can't give because there's more employees. And a lot of small businesses like that approach. So to learn more about how renewal rates can affect your business and how to avoid or minimize that exposure moving forward, feel free to contact us at CustomInsured.com. And please stay tuned for future podcasts coming around the corner to discuss more of the benefits and exposures of group health plans. This is Cal Burgess. Thank you for listening and signing off.